What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I know it's late at night, so the camera is not very clear, but I made a promise that I was going to share with you people my trading journey because I got this new 10K challenge and I want to pass the challenge within 1 week. I should have started next week, but for some reason I decided to start today. So like I told you guys now, I got a 10K Dragon challenge from TheFundedTrader. It's a free challenge because I passed their trading competition. That was a 10K trading, sorry, a 100K trading competition. So I think I will send the details to you people maybe in another video, but for now, let me just show you guys what I did. So guys, as you can clearly see, right, this is it over here. This is the account, TheFundedTrader Dragon Challenge Phase 1. And this is my live account over here also. So this is a challenge account. Let me show you guys what we did today. Today we started trading. So if I go to my trades today, you see that we did make $200 just today, and I didn't even take much trades today. Let me show you guys the history. I traded only US 30, and I was just using 0.10 lots, some 0.5, 0.20, as you can see over here. So today we just traded US 30 and we're able to make $200. So let me show you guys the challenge. So if you go to, this is my dashboard on TheFundedTrader. You can clearly see here TheFundedTrader. You can clearly see that this is the same account. You can see that I'm left with just $600 to be able to get my profit target of the phase 1. So hopefully by God's grace, next week I'll be done with that, because I was supposed to start this challenge by next week, but for some reason I just decided to trade this week. So this is over here, equity, simulated equity, 10,200. So hopefully it's just left with $600 for me to pass this challenge. I'll be done with it next week, and I'll give you guys feedback every day if I'm decided to trade this particular account. So for this particular challenge, I'm taking it gradually. I'm not in a hurry to pass it within 1 day or 2 days, because as you know, I have different accounts I'm trading. I have 2 main trading accounts, one with 10 trades and another one with XNES, and I think I have another one also with XM. So I want to first of all trade my personal account. So if I'm having time to pass this challenge, I'll be able to trade, let's say 1 or 2 trades, just to make sure that I'm on the go. But my main focus is my personal accounts. Okay, so with a profit account, I'll just be passing it gradually. So that's why I'm like putting a 200 target per day, which something that I can do within 20 minutes, 30 minutes. It depends. If I'm using 1 lot size, obviously by now I would have passed that challenge, but because I didn't want to over-risk the account, I should just use 0.1, and just see how it goes. Okay, so this challenge, I'm supposed to pass it by next week so that I can go in for the phase 2. When I'm done with the phase 2 of that particular challenge, this will just be $500. Then I think I'll get now a live account with TheFundedTrader. I think they'll give my training certificate. After that, what else will happen? After that, I think I have to go through like a 1 week, because the reason why I'm actually happy with this particular account is that according to what they say on the website, you can have a payout after 1 week. So you don't have to wait for 1 month for you to get a payout like other pro firms where you have to wait for 1 month to get a payout. 1 week. I wanted to pass the challenge with a bot, but currently TheFundedTrader is not allowing bots to pass challenge, because sometimes it's not really easy for you to sit down and start trading these demo accounts, if you know what I'm talking about. So I wanted to use a bot, but actually they don't allow bots to trade in TheFundedTrader. There are other pro firms like Quantec, Cortana, that they allow bots to pass challenges, but this particular pro firm, TheFundedTrader, they don't allow bots to pass challenges. So I'll just go it gradually. If I can make $100 a day, fine. $200 a day, fine. I'll just be dabbling between $100, $200 per day. Then the rest of the time, I can now take that time and focus on my personal accounts and grow my personal accounts, because I need to make money daily, if you know what I'm talking about. Anyways, that's it for this particular video. I'll be sharing with you guys my Forex trading journey, and also when I'm done with this particular challenge, I'll share with you guys my payouts. I had a first payout. I think I posted it on Instagram. I think on Instagram. Yeah, I think I posted on Instagram and on WhatsApp. So if I'm able to get a second payout by this month, sorry, that's by next month, I'll also post it. But also, if I'm able to get a payout within 1 week using TheFundedTrader, I'll post it on my Instagram and also on my Telegram channel. So if you want to learn more about trading, make sure you hit me up. You can always get my contacts on Telegram, Instagram. Also, you can send me an email. You know how that stuff goes. So that's it for this particular video. Thanks for watching. Bye.